Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. I just wanted to give you a rundown on what we're going to do this week. Today, you only have class on Monday and Wednesday. So, what we're going to do on Monday is we're going to complete the poetry activity that was mentioned in the video that you watched last week. And then on Wednesday, we're going to go over both poetry activities. So, the one that you will be completing on Monday, in addition to the one you turned in last week. Now, I made a post on Saturday about the College Board's latest news on the AP test. Essentially, they said we're going to be doing just free response questions, which we already knew, and they are still working out the details. But if you want to read through what they said, be my guest. I don't know anything else outside of that at this time, we're just going to have to wait it out, but we will continue to use the videos that College Board is posting. Now, I want to thank you guys for last week's work. For the most part, you guys did a really good job on that poetry analysis, and I know it's really difficult, so thank you for that. Thank you for giving it your best effort, let's put it this way. And I just want to remind you, as we're doing these activities, even though you're doing this at home, your responses should be thorough. There's no reason you should just be saying one word, writing one word, or not providing evidence. You still have to defend your answers just like you would if I was sitting behind you in class asking you questions. All right, so I hope you guys have a great week. If you have any questions, as usual, don't hesitate to contact me. Bye, guys.